may use that tree as air brakes. Don't let it poke you. We're gonna hit it a little bit, so just yeah.
So we're here in the parking lot. It's 6:19. We were supposed to be here at 6 a.m. for the launching or the meeting of the balloon riders, and we're supposed to follow somebody somewhere. There's some balloons in the distance. So I don't know, but apparently the car with the balloon in it or something has a flat tire. So we're waiting. We're waiting.
Yes, we are.
Just found out I either take a piss now and I can pee again in 3 hours. And that's my options. I don't think there's a bathroom on the basket. Maybe. I mean, anywhere's a bathroom if you if you gotta go bad enough. Oh, so anyway, now we wait. Just got word. 6:51. Apparently the flat is fixed and the guy's on his way up or down or wherever he's coming from. So we'll get an hour late start, but according to the pilot, we have up until 8 a.m. to launch. After that, apparently the ground gets too hot and it then flies the balloon for us. So let's hope that doesn't happen. See you later.
We're going up. Oh, sorry. We're going up. Wow, we're going up. Hold on, face me. We're going up. Okay, bye, babe. Oh, Karimi.
What you do about that?
Oh, we get up above those in no time.
6953 X-ray. Up against the leading edge of the basket. You want to hang on to the little rope loops on the inside edge of the basket. You want to have your knees bent, be low in the basket, use those legs as shock absorbers. Most importantly, stay in the balloon until I tell you it's okay to get out.
So we're about to go head down?
If you get out before I'm ready and we're still buoyant, I will fly away without you, and the crew's going to follow the balloon unless you're waving large quantities of cash at them. Again, you're going to want your backs or your shoulders up against this edge and hanging on to the ropes on the back edge.
Where are you anticipating putting it down?
Planet Earth. This is not an intergalactic flight.
Fair enough.
We're getting off late, so it may change a little bit, but ideally we're going to land over there near where that one is, or just south of the houses, just south of him, somewhere in that area. So I didn't get a chance to tell you a little bit about myself. I have been doing this for 40 years.
Okay,
If I ever have a successful flight, I'm done with this crap.
Oh.
Stupid pilot joke. Just laugh about it. I am one of about 5 or 6 pilots in the world that take these things out in the middle of the night on a full moon and fly them in the dark. I have to take Advil before I do those flights because my face just aches from grinning. Plus, it's really cool. About 1 out of every 4 or 5 night flights I do will actually get a call the next day from the UFO network.
Nice.
Awesome call to take. We were trying to do a flight from Gallup, New Mexico to Amarillo, Texas, and our goal was to do it in 2 hours. So we were looking for relatively calm surface winds, but winds at altitude between 200 and 250 miles an hour. Cool thing is you can't tell any difference between 8 miles an hour and 250 miles an hour except by looking at a GPS. Use that tree as air brakes. Don't let it poke you. We're gonna hit it a little bit, so just yeah. Die, pig, die!
Oh wow, we got a whole doctor with us. Oh nice.
Here I come! We're gonna thump, be low in the basket, turn around. Whoa, muley! Everybody stay in!
Nice land. What'd you guys think?
Huh?
Great.
Yeah.
Pretty cool.
Yes.
Get it closed and we'll see if I can get a couple of guys out. Give us a hand. All right, if you raise your glasses, the winds have welcomed you with softness. The sun has blessed you with his warm rays. You've flown so high and so well that God has joined you in your laughter and set you gently back again into the loving arms of Mother Earth. Amen. Soft landings, everybody. I thank everybody, otherwise it's bad luck. I gotta clank you.
Cliff.
Bad luck not to thank everybody. We have the traditional French dipping sauce, the beurre de peanut. So help yourselves to anything on the table or in the ice chest. I'm gonna help you guys put the balloon away. We'll be back with you soon.
Good time. I enjoyed it. I would definitely do that again in a heartbeat. Well worth it.